All right, this is ridiculous. Where am I supposed to lay? I'm supposed to lay over there. I can't lay here on Mommy's side. Oh, you are really pushing it, little girl. You said, "Don't move me, Daddy." This is my side. I'm mad at everyone except for Richie, because Richie's just on Tessie's throne. So I will figure out something. I have a feeling these two cats here will be over here soon. I think I will just drag her over. Yeah. I'll just pick him up under my arms and plop him down. But cute none the same.